Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Complaints for gamers show that the appeal of blockchain-based token isn't everything and that players still value the vivid experience offered by popular mainstream games over the benefits provided by game FI. Uncertain regulations. Additionally, many game FI platforms are operating in a regulatory gray area and are likely to face major headwinds in the next couple of years. Right now, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission is considering whether to classify blockchain gaming tokens as securities due to the expectations of profit. Classifying them as such would bring them under the purview of the regulatory authority. This would oblige many game FI platforms to make extensive disclosures about their clients and revenue models. Networks that fail to meet SEC requirements are usually forced to bar US investors and players from joining their platform to avoid fines and sanctions. This is likely to undercut the growth of the sector. Technical complexities. Novel blockchain concepts usually experience major teething problems. The decentralized finance sector, for example, experiencing many of these problems because many users found the platforms hard to understand and use. GameFi is experiencing some of these issues as well. Buying and selling of NFT, for example, is a complex affair and remains a major hurdle for newcomers. The sector is still bound to the wider crypto market. GameFi is a subset of the crypto industry and is therefore affected by the booms and bust of the digital currency market. Consequently, the GameFi sector experiences a rise in activity during uptrends, but the opposite happens when there is a downtrend. To mention interest in GameFi platforms, developers face the uphill task of developing and trolling games to help ecosystem with their market slides. Recent what the Ethereum merge means for the blockchain layer 2 solutions. Currently, GameFi investors are focusing on improving gaming experiences to build on sustainability, but the task is easier said than done. Developers face myriad challenges, but if they are successful in attracting players with top-tier gameplay, the futures of blockchain-based gaming looks bright. Delivered every Friday. Subscribe to the Finance Redefined newsletter. Email address. Subscribe. By subscribing, you agree to our terms of service and privacy police. Marcel Deer, 10 hours ago, how does high-frequency trading work on decentralized exchange? High-frequency trading allows cryptocurrency traders to take advantage of market opportunities that are usually unavailable to regular traders. 2012 HT830. How does high frequency trading work on decentralized exchange? How to crypto. Following the decentralized finance boom of 2020, decentralized exchange solidified their place in the ecosystem of both cryptocurrency and finance. So, since DEX are not as heavily regulated as decentralized exchange, users can list any token they want. With DEX, high-frequency traders can make trades on coin before they hit major exchange. Plus, decentralized exchange are non-custodial, which implies that creators cannot pull an exit from, in theory. As such, high-frequency trading firms that used to broker unique trading transactions with cryptocurrency exchange operators have turned to decentralized exchange to conduct business. What is high-frequency trading in crypto? High-frequency trading is a trading method that uses complex algorithms to analyze large amounts of data and make quick trades. As such, HFT can analyze multiple markets and execute a large volume of orders in a matter of seconds. In the realm of trading, fast executions is often the key to making a profit. HVT eliminates small bid-ask spreads by making large volumes of trades rapidly. It also allows market participants to take advantage of price change before they are fully reflected in the order book. As a result, HFT can generate profits even in volatile or liquid markets. HVT first emerged in traditional financial markets but has since made its way into the cryptocurrency space owing to infrastructural. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.